This is gonna blow your mind. The story of humanity begins in Africa millions of years ago. This vast and diverse continent, with its rich tapestry of ecosystems, has been the cradle of life for countless species over millennia. Our ancestors were not the dominant species then. They lived in a world teeming with life, where survival was a daily challenge. They were primates, sharing the landscape with other creatures, from the smallest insects to the largest predators. Each day was a test of adaptability and resilience. The East African Rift Valley, a place of geological wonders, cradled the early chapters of our evolution. This region, with its dramatic landscapes and unique geological features, provided a dynamic backdrop for the story of our origins. Here, amidst the shifting tectonic plates and volcanic activity, the seeds of humanity were sown. The ever-changing environment forced our ancestors to adapt, innovate, and evolve. Our earliest ancestors, the hominids, emerged in this dynamic environment. These early hominids were pioneers, navigating a world that was both harsh and full of potential. These were not yet humans as we know them, but they possessed the spark of what would become our lineage. Their physical and behavioral traits were the foundation upon which modern humans would eventually be built. One of the most significant of these early hominids was Ardipithecus ramidus, or Ardi, who lived around 4.4 million years ago. Ardi's discovery was a milestone in understanding our evolutionary journey. Ardi's remains offered tantalizing clues about our evolutionary path, suggesting a creature already transitioning towards bipedalism. This shift towards walking on two legs was a crucial step in the development of our species, setting the stage for the emergence of Homo sapiens. One of the most defining moments in human evolution was the shift to walking upright. This monumental change marked the beginning of a new era for our ancestors, setting the stage for countless advancements that would follow. Bipedalism, as it is known, freed our hands for tool use and carried significant advantages for survival on the African savanna. With hands no longer needed for locomotion, early humans could craft and wield tools, hunt more effectively, and even create rudimentary shelters. Imagine the benefits: seeing over tall grasses to spot predators, which was crucial for both hunting and avoiding danger. This elevated perspective provided a strategic advantage in the vast and often perilous landscapes. Carrying food and offspring more efficiently became possible, allowing early humans to transport resources and protect their young while on the move. This mobility was essential for survival, especially during times of scarcity. Additionally, walking upright helped in regulating body temperature in the scorching sun. By reducing the amount of direct sunlight hitting the body and increasing exposure to cooling winds, bipedalism played a role in thermoregulation. This transition did not happen overnight. It was a gradual process that spanned millions of years, with each generation adapting slightly more to their changing environment. Fossil evidence suggests a gradual process, with early hominids like Australopithecus afarensis, famously represented by the Lucy skeleton, displaying a mosaic of traits, still adept at climbing trees, but increasingly comfortable on 2 feet. These early bipeds were pioneers, bridging the gap between arboreal and terrestrial life. As bipedalism became more refined, our ancestors ventured further from the forests, adapting to the challenges and opportunities of a new environment. This adaptability was key to their survival and eventual dominance, allowing them to explore and thrive in diverse habitats across the globe. Command? Currently, the VO is 220 words long. The ability to shape and utilize tools marks a pivotal turning point in human evolution. It signifies a growing cognitive capacity, an ability to envision solutions and manipulate the environment to our advantage. The earliest evidence of tool use dates back millions of years, with simple stone flakes used for cutting and scraping. These tools, though rudimentary, represent a profound leap in cognitive ability. They allowed our ancestors to access new food sources, butcher meat more efficiently, and defend themselves more effectively. This technological innovation fueled a cascade of evolutionary changes, influencing our diet, social structures, and ultimately our brain development. Perhaps the most enigmatic and defining characteristic of our species is the power of language. It is through language that we share ideas, transmit knowledge across generations, and build complex societies. Pinpointing the exact moment when language emerged is a challenge, but the fossil record and archaeological evidence offer intriguing clues. The structure of our brains, particularly the development of specific areas associated with language processing, suggests that the capacity for complex communication evolved gradually. Early forms of language may have been rudimentary, consisting of gestures, vocalizations, and simple words. As our ancestors formed larger social groups and faced increasingly complex challenges, the pressure to develop more sophisticated forms of communication intensified. Section 5. Out of Africa, the Great Human Migration. Around 2 million years ago, our ancestors began to venture out of Africa, embarking on a journey that would eventually populate the globe. This migration was not a single event, but rather a series of waves, driven by a combination of environmental factors, population pressure, and an innate human curiosity. These early explorers faced harsh and unfamiliar environments, from the icy plains of Europe to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. Their ability to adapt to such diverse conditions is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. As they spread across the continents, they carried with them the seeds of culture, technology, and the genetic diversity that characterizes our species today. Section 6. The Cognitive Revolution, a leap in intelligence. Around 70,000 years ago, something remarkable happened. Human cognitive abilities underwent a dramatic acceleration, leading to what some scientists call the cognitive revolution. This period witnessed an explosion of creativity and innovation, evidenced by the emergence of sophisticated art, tools, and symbolic thought. The reasons behind this cognitive leap remain a subject of debate. Some theories point to genetic mutations that enhanced brain function, while others emphasize the role of environmental pressures and the development of language. Regardless of the cause, the cognitive revolution marked a profound shift in human history, setting the stage for the emergence of complex societies and the rise of civilization. Section 7. Mastering Fire, Illuminating Our Past. The control of fire represents a pivotal moment in human history. No longer at the mercy of the elements, our ancestors could now harness the power of fire for warmth, protection, and cooking. This technological innovation had profound implications for human evolution, influencing our diet, social interactions, and relationship with the natural world. Cooking food over fire made it easier to digest, unlocking nutrients and reducing the need for constant chewing. This in turn may have contributed to the reduction in jaw size and the development of our characteristic flat faces. Fire also provided a source of light and warmth, allowing our ancestors to venture into colder climates and extend their activities into the night. Section 8. The Agricultural Revolution, Seeds of Civilization. For millions of years, our ancestors lived as hunter-gatherers, relying on their skills and knowledge of the natural world for sustenance. Around 10,000 years ago, a profound shift occurred, the advent of agriculture. This marked a turning point in human history, leading to settled communities, population growth, and the rise of civilizations. The transition to agriculture was gradual, with different communities independently domesticating plants and animals in various parts of the world. This new way of life brought about significant changes. Settled communities allowed for the accumulation of possessions and the development of specialized skills. Surplus food production led to population growth and the emergence of social hierarchies. Section 9. Reflections on our journey, understanding our place in time. The story of human evolution is a testament to our remarkable journey, a tale of adaptation, innovation, and the enduring quest for survival. Over millions of years, our ancestors faced countless challenges, from harsh climates to fierce predators, yet they persevered. Each fossil unearthed, each ancient tool discovered, tells a chapter of this incredible saga. From our humble beginnings in the African savanna to our current status as a globally dominant species, we have continually shaped and been shaped by the forces of nature and our own ingenuity. Our journey from simple stone tools to advanced technology is a testament to our creativity and resilience. The landscapes we once roamed as hunter-gatherers have transformed into bustling cities, yet the essence of our quest for survival and progress remains unchanged. Understanding our evolutionary past is not just an academic exercise, it is a window into the very essence of what it means to be human. By studying the bones and artifacts of our ancestors, we gain insights into their lives, their struggles and their triumphs. This knowledge enriches our understanding of ourselves and our place in the natural world. It provides a framework for comprehending our place in the web of life, the challenges we face and the potential we hold as a species. As we look at the diverse ecosystems and species that share our planet, we recognize the interconnectedness of all life. Our brains, which have evolved over millennia, are a testament to our ability to adapt and innovate. As we continue to evolve, both biologically and culturally, the lessons learned from our past serve as a guide for navigating the future and ensuring the continued success of our species. The rapid pace of urban development and technological advancements highlights the importance of learning from our history. By embracing our shared heritage and fostering a sense of unity, we can build a future that honors our past and paves the way for generations to come.